Hello, my name is Eduardo from Bosmolo. I'm preparing a personal video for a 2015 Harley Davidson Street Light. It's not the same that you're asking on the lead, but this is what I have available. Hopefully it will exceed the expectation that you're looking for. This is a 2015 and it has 8,461 miles, and we're selling for $24,888 plus taxes and license. Fully safety certified. This motorcycle is being changed for the handlebar apes, has scratch bars, and beautiful pins and high pipes. I understand you have a trading ball. I would like to see if it's possible you could call me with more details about your bike. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.